close the wealth gap, right? How do we close the wealth gap? So when we think about the wealth gap in general, Jacqueline, from your understanding, from your perspective, for those who because they might just arbitrarily hear the term the wealth gap, like what is this? What does it mean? So in your own words, how would you define what is the wealth gap?
Without getting too emotional, it's just it's just the difference between, honestly, and I don't want to make it a this for that, because it's not black versus white, but it's the reality of the situation. It's the gap between what white America has and what black America has in terms of actual wealth, in terms of net worth, in terms of ownership, right?
Mhm.
It's that difference. Okay, we won't talk about why that difference is there, but let's talk about how we can fill that gap and get it closer, right? Because we know that more money, more wealth brings more opportunities.
Love it. Love it.